Out here, survival often comes down to the smallest details. Most people believe they're ready for anything, a storm, blackout, or unexpected crisis, but it's the little gaps in your plan that can become life-threatening chasms when the pressure is on. Today, I'm not talking about extreme gadgets, just basic, everyday items you probably have, but not always in the right place or quantity. In an emergency, these essentials vanish from shelves faster than you can blink. Take action now, while you still have the choice, because those who wait too long. When disaster strikes, everything changes in an instant. The world you know, your routines, your comforts, can be upended by a single event. Whether it's a hurricane, earthquake, flood, or even a sudden power outage, your first priority is survival. And at the heart of survival is water. Bottled water is always the first thing to disappear from store shelves. In the chaos, people instinctively reach for it, knowing it's essential. Within hours, the aisles are stripped bare, leaving latecomers with nothing. Most folks underestimate how much water you actually need to get by. The rule of thumb is at least 1 gallon per person per day, for drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene. That's the bare minimum, and in hot weather or emergencies, you might need even more. For a family of 4, that adds up fast. 28 gallons for just 1 week, and that doesn't include extra for cleaning, pets, or unexpected guests. Imagine trying to carry that much home in a crisis. Water isn't just about quenching thirst. Dehydration can set in quickly, especially in stressful situations. It clouds your judgment, drains your energy, and can make even simple decisions difficult. In extreme cases, it can become life-threatening in just a day or two. When disaster looms, everyone rushes to the store at once. The shelves empty in a matter of hours, sometimes even faster. If you wait until the last minute, you'll likely be out of luck. That's why it's crucial to store your bottled water in advance. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from sunlight and heat, to preserve its freshness and prevent chemicals from leaching into the water. Make it a habit to check expiration dates and rotate your supply every 6 months. This simple routine ensures your water stays safe and ready when you need it most, and always store more than you think you'll need. Emergencies are unpredictable. Having a surplus can make all the difference if help is delayed or the crisis lasts longer than expected. Don't forget about your pets and babies. They have unique needs and rely on you to provide for them. Make sure you have enough water set aside for every member of your household, furry or otherwise. If there's one thing you do today, take a moment to check your water supplies, review your emergency checklist, and make sure you're prepared for everyone under your roof. Broken pipes, contaminated tap water, and power outages can happen without warning. These disruptions are more common than you might think, and they can leave you without safe water for days. Water is life. In an emergency, nothing replaces it. Make bottled water your first line of defense, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. If you run out of bottled water, what's your plan? Most people don't realize just how quickly their water supply can disappear in an emergency. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or a sudden contamination event, you could find yourself staring at empty bottles and wondering what to do next. Emergencies can knock out city water or leave you with only questionable sources. Rivers, lakes, or even rainwater might be your only options, but these sources can be filled with bacteria, parasites, and other contaminants that can make you seriously ill. That's why having a portable water filter or purification tablets is so important. These tools are designed to remove harmful microorganisms and chemicals, making almost any water source safer to drink. A good filter can turn muddy stream water into something clear and drinkable, while purification tablets can kill invisible threats. Every emergency kit should include at least 1 reliable filter per person, plus backup purification tablets. Don't forget to check expiration dates and replace them as needed. Having extras means you can help others or deal with unexpected situations. Practice using your gear before you need it. Don't fumble in the dark. Try filtering water from your tap or a local stream so you know exactly how your device works. Read the instructions carefully and make sure everyone in your household knows how to use the equipment. In a pinch, even a coffee filter and a bit of bleach can help remove debris and kill germs, but these are last resorts. Bleach must be used carefully, just a few drops per liter, and only unscented plain bleach. Still, nothing beats a proper filtration system designed for emergencies. Modern filters are lightweight, easy to use, and can process hundreds of liters before needing replacement. When the bottles run out, filtration is your lifeline. It gives you the freedom to find water wherever you are, and the peace of mind that you can keep your family safe and hydrated. Don't get caught off guard. Add a filtration device to your supplies today, and make sure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Hunger is a powerful enemy. When disaster strikes, it's not just about feeling hungry, it's about keeping your body and mind strong enough to face whatever comes next. The stress of an emergency can drain your energy fast, and without the right food, your ability to think clearly and act quickly can disappear. That's why planning ahead is so important. You need food that won't spoil, even if the power's out for days. Think canned beans, hearty soups, shelf-stable milk, and dried fruits. These foods can last for months, sometimes years, and don't require refrigeration. When the lights go out, you'll be glad you stocked up on items that can handle the heat, cold, or anything in between. Tuna, peanut butter, granola bars, and crackers are all great choices. They're packed with protein and energy, and they're easy to eat on the go or when you're sheltering in place. Don't forget about things like instant oatmeal, rice, or pasta. Just add water, and you've got a meal. Don't rely on frozen foods. When the power goes, so does your freezer. All that food you thought would last could spoil in just a few hours, leaving you with nothing but waste. Instead, focus on foods that are safe at room temperature and require little or no preparation. Choose items ready to eat straight from the package. In a crisis, you might not have time or resources to cook. Foods that don't need heating or extra water are your best bet. Think about what you and your family actually like to eat. Comfort and familiarity matter, especially in stressful times. Rotate your stock every few months, and don't forget a manual can opener. Check expiration dates and use up older items first, replacing them as you go. This way, your emergency stash stays fresh and ready whenever you need it. In an emergency, you'll need more food than you think, especially with kids. Children, elderly family members, and anyone with special dietary needs may require extra calories or specific foods. Plan for at least 3 days' worth of meals, but a week or more is even better. Don't neglect comfort foods. A bit of chocolate or coffee can lift spirits. Small treats can make a big difference in morale, helping everyone cope with stress and uncertainty. Include a few favorites in your stash to keep spirits high. Start by adding a few extra cans to your weekly shop. Building a solid emergency food supply doesn't have to happen overnight. Little by little, you'll create a pantry that can see you through any crisis. Food is fuel. Running out isn't an option. With a well-stocked supply of non-perishable foods, you'll have the strength and peace of mind to weather any storm, and keep your loved ones safe, healthy, and fed, no matter what comes your way. If you rely on prescription medication, running out in a crisis can be deadly. Always keep at least a 2-week supply, more if you can. Talk to your doctor about an emergency reserve and how best to store it. Don't forget over-the-counter essentials like allergy meds and pain relievers. Check expiration dates regularly and keep a backup pill organizer. Being prepared with medication protects your quality of life when help might be days away. When accidents happen, you can't count on ambulances or clinics. Your first aid kit is your lifeline. Stock up on bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and gloves. Include children's versions of meds if needed. Check your kit every few months and replace anything expired. Take a basic first aid course. Knowing how to use your supplies is crucial. Make sure your kit is easy to grab and go. A well-stocked first aid kit protects you and your loved ones. When the lights go out, it's not just about seeing in the dark. Stock up on common battery sizes for flashlights, radios, and toys. Rechargeable power banks are a lifesaver. Keep them topped up, and consider a solar charger. Don't forget specialty batteries for medical devices. Store batteries in a cool, dry place and check them every few months. Power means information, safety, and comfort. Stock up now. A good flashlight is more than just a tool, it's peace of mind in the darkness. Keep multiple flashlights and a couple of sturdy lanterns in easy-to-find spots. LED flashlights are best, they're bright and efficient. Headlamps keep your hands free for repairs or helping others. Test your lights regularly and keep extra batteries on hand. Give kids their own flashlight for comfort and responsibility. Don't rely on your phone's flashlight. proper lighting is essential. In a crisis, hygiene is often the first thing to suffer, but it's crucial for staying healthy. Stock up on toilet paper, soap, hand sanitizer, feminine hygiene products, and baby wipes. Store enough to last at least 2 weeks for your family. Baby wipes are a compact, multi-use alternative if space is tight. Don't forget dental hygiene. An extra toothbrush and toothpaste matter. Alcohol-based hand sanitizer is a lifesaver when water is limited. Good hygiene keeps your family healthy and spirits high. Imagine you've stocked up on canned food but your electric can opener is useless. A manual can opener is one of the most overlooked essentials. Have at least one, preferably 2, and keep them easy to find. Test your opener before you need it. Cheap models can fail. Keep a spare in your go bag or car kit. Don't let a missing can opener stand between you and a meal. In our digital world, it's easy to forget that ATMs and card readers rely on power. In a crisis, cash is king. Keep a stash of small bills in secure locations at home and in your go bag. Cash can help you barter for supplies or services when cards are useless. Make sure your family knows where the cash is stored. A little cash on hand can make all the difference when the system goes down. Pets are family too. Don't overlook their needs in a crisis. Have enough food, water, and medications for at least 2 weeks. Pack a small emergency kit for each pet. Include treats, a leash, and medical records. Comfort items like a toy or blanket help reduce stress. Think about sanitation, litter cleaning products, and extra bags. Caring for your pets is part of caring for your family. In an emergency, quick access to important documents saves time and stress. Gather copies of IDs, insurance, medical records, and key contacts in a waterproof portable bag. Include passports, deeds, and pet vaccination records. Digital backups are great, but paper copies are king in a blackout. Keep documents updated and make sure every adult knows where they are. Protecting your documents helps you rebuild and recover, no matter what. Survival isn't about panic. It's about peace of mind. Start small, focus on what matters most for your family. Just a few essentials can make all the difference when the unexpected hits. Being prepared means you can help yourself and your loved ones. Check your supplies today and fill those little gaps. Stay safe, stay prepared. It's the simple things that keep you alive.